Warning.
So, how do I become industry ready? So now I have been talking for like half an hour, and many of you must have been bored, right? Because not everyone is interested in testing, and of course we need. Not everyone can come in testing, right? You need someone to develop the system, then someone will test it, right? And you need a vast spectrum. So only interested people will be ready to join here. So that's why this section I don't want to force it on everyone. Made a roadmap here which has all the resources which you can refer, and you will be industry ready for sure. And it's like 3-4 months you need to give in, and I'll share that with you all. Having said that, and I'm not entirely skipping this section, but I'll just take a few questions which people usually have when it comes to getting job, right? So we have this question like, now I have mentioned this session is about Selenium, but in the beginning only I mentioned about different tools. So you guys must be thinking like, which tool is the best, right? Because as you mentioned, Selenium is the old player and Playwright is the new one, is booming, right? So how are we supposed to decide which is the best one? So see, the thing is, as I mentioned, Selenium is the one who is there in the market since very long. So if you want to target big companies which have legacy platforms and they already have the systems built on Selenium, so it's the best tool so far, which will never like put you down, I can say. Tool, you need to have some coding skills, and it will improve your skills as well. So if you want a job quickly and uh, even stay in the market, I'll say Selenium is the best choice. But see, Playwright is growing very fast, and to stay in the market, you need to know about multiple tools. Even the company where I work in right now, as I mentioned, like we use all three of them. So I had to learn the third one as well. I started with Selenium, but I had to learn Playwright and I had to learn Cypress. It's not like you need to know each and everything of it, but you need to have some idea about it, right? So at least they know, yes, this guy can learn. They have their fundamentals cleared out, and to have the fundamentals cleared out, Selenium is the best choice. That's why we are talking about Selenium today. Okay, and the another question is, does it really matter about the tools which gets you hired or tools get you rejected? See, I'll say most probably if someone wants to hire you for Selenium, it will be mentioned in the job role. Okay, and if you have Playwright expertise, there are very less chances you'll even get shortlisted for that role if you apply for it. But if you are shortlisted, so that means the tool doesn't matter anymore. They just want someone who has the proper mindset and knows the fundamentals. And see, usually your fundamentals, your concepts are the ones which gets you hired or rejected. It's not the tool, and it's not the language, or it's not the framework. Just wanted to share that thing here. Okay, now we will go for the live demo section where I have a